Hey everybody, this is Dan Collins of the CUNY Kingsborough Math and Computing Department, and in today's video, probably going to be pretty short, I'm going to show you a nice way to clean up your main Blackboard page to make it more convenient to interact with on a daily basis. And specifically what I'm thinking about is on the far left here under the My Courses module. Many of us have this large, very long list of all the courses that we've ever taught, going back probably about a decade. And the courses that we're currently teaching are way at the bottom of that list. So every time we come onto Blackboard, we have to scroll down, 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 and find the courses that we're currently teaching to enter and interact with. You don't need to do that. It takes about 2 steps to just clear out all the old classes that you're not actually dealing with now and only see the classes that you are currently looking at. So in this example that you're looking at right now, my courses go back to 2012. And if I view all of them here, there's actually a total of 60 courses. And it would take me a long time to get to the bottom of the list and kind of have to visually inspect to make sure that I'm actually entering the right one. There's no need for that. Before I show you how to clean that up, I will just say that your students are not seeing a giant list of all their prior courses. At the end of the semester, the Blackboard administrator, I think like about a week after the final exams, goes in and makes all those courses not available to students. You can actually see that in the parentheses here. All these courses that are on screen are labeled not currently available, which means the students don't actually see them at all. They're only going to see the classes that they're currently taking. So we should probably do the same. So it only takes 2 steps. You can see that when you bring your mouse cursor over the My Courses module up on the top right, a little gear icon shows up, right? So you want to do that. Just bring your mouse onto the My Courses module, find that little gear icon, and usually on these kinds of web interfaces, the gear icon indicates settings, which is what we want right now. So you can see a little tooltip pop up there. When I click on that, I'm going to go to the Manage My Courses module settings. So find the gear icon, click on that. That's step 1. Now I'm in the courses settings, My Courses module settings, and if I scroll down a little bit here, you can just see all the courses that I've ever taught that's in the Blackboard database here. Over on the far right, like if you wanted to take fine detailed control over that, you can see that there are check marks that control whether on that main page you're seeing the course name or the course ID, whether you're seeing the instructors listed, etc., etc. I actually never interact with that directly because on the far left there's a checkbox that just says select all, unselect all. And if I just unselect that checkbox for a very old course, all those other checks disappear. So what you want to do on this page is just go through and remove the check marks for all the old courses that you don't want to see anymore. So I'll just do that here. So this might take, a couple seconds, maybe the first time you do this. Obviously, I've done this before, so I've already done this for these courses. Way at the bottom, where your current courses are going to be, just make sure that those are still checked off, right? These are my current courses right now. I actually do want to see those. And when you're happy with that, click Submit, as usual, on the bottom right. And at this point, you're done. That's actually it. So if I look at my courses now, these 3 courses here are the only things that I'm teaching this semester. And they're really the only things that I want to think about when I log onto Blackboard. And I'm not likely to possibly select the wrong semester course or something like that. So this saves me time every single day. I'm not getting lost in the giant list. And hopefully you can do the same, and that'll save you a lot of time over the course of a semester as well. So that's it, just 2 steps. If you ever do want to see one of those courses again, just do the same thing. Just go to the gear icon, click on it, and then you can just select one of the check boxes for a course that you do want to see. Like perhaps that might be useful in the future, a new semester, and you want to do a course copy of information, and you actually do want to see an old course to get started with that. Sometimes I need to do that. But hope that helps. So if you have any questions about that, please email me, dcollins@the Kingsborough email system, and I'll talk to you soon.